Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy messy updo for short to medium length hair. To start, we're going to curl the hair. This doesn't need to be perfect, but I like to make the curls on top a little bit tighter. Then we're just going to apply some texture spray all over the hair. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. Now just gather the crown area of the hair, hold it together at the back of the head and pinch and pull until you're happy with the volume. Then add a couple of bobby pins to secure it to the head, making sure you crisscross these to stop them slipping. Now, leaving a little bit of hair out to frame the face, I'm going to take the rest of the hair from the ear forwards and we're just going to twist this towards the head and then keep twisting it. Bring it over those bobby pins and secure with another bobby pin, and then just repeat on the opposite side. So take your section of hair, twist it towards the head, lay it over the top of those bobby pins and secure it to the head. Now, taking the hair that's hanging on the left hand side, I'm going to take a small section, again twist it towards the head, and then I'm just going to add sections and keep twisting them towards the head until I get past that bottom left hand side. Bring this over to the right hand side slightly, just under those first twists, and secure it with a few more bobby pins. Next, take a chunk of hair from the middle of the neckline, and all we're going to do is wrap these around a couple of fingers to create a loop. This doesn't have to be perfect. And again, pin it with a couple of bobby pins. On the right hand side, I'm going to take a small slice of hair, twist it towards the head, and then just add one more section. Pinch and pull this twist for a bit more volume and pin it over towards the left hand side. And with those tail ends, I'm going to wrap them around my fingers again and then just pin them into that little bun we've made. And on that last section, again, I'm just going to twist it towards the head, pinching and pulling as I go. Bring it over to the left hand side and secure it with a few more bobby pins. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.